So to make the crème pâtissière, we need 3 egg yolks, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 cups of milk, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So to start, we're gonna mix the vanilla extract with the egg yolks, and then we'll mix everything together on a pan, and we will put it over medium heat. And usually you just need to bring it to a boil and to let it boil for like a minute or two, and it's done. And it will be used on top of the sgouga cream as the previous video. I will show you once it's done. So I have all the ingredients mixed together, and I have a very smooth texture. I'm gonna put it over a medium heat for a few minutes until it's boiling, and I will let it boil for a minute or two, and then it's gonna be ready. I will show you the final results. Okay, this is my cream pâtissière already. I'm gonna show you how it looks.